Now, some persons have asked, between tissue paper, tissue paper used in toilets, between tissue paper and unsigned documents, which one is more useful? Between tissue paper and unsigned document. Now, what is tissue paper? Tissue paper is the normal paper, a disposable paper you use in the toilet to clean your bum after using the toilet. That is the work. That is the usefulness of tissue paper. You make use of it in the toilet. Tissue paper remains in the toilet. Tissue paper belongs to the toilet. Are you following me? Good. Now, what is unsigned document? Unsigned document is any document at all, be you letter, legal drafting, in fact, deed of gift, deed of assignments, any memo, memorandum, any internal memo, external memo. Think of anything on black and white paper, anything at all. Just think of anything at all on black and white, fully written on black and white paper, in any language or at all. That is unsigned, that is not signed, it's not signed, unsigned. That document, the Supreme Court has heard countless times that document is good for nothing but the dustbin. You see, it is worthless, good for nothing but the dustbin. Now you discover that even tissue paper is more important than an unsigned document, because a tissue paper has its usefulness. A tissue paper is good for the toilets. It's good for the toilet, how it's useful, but an unsigned document is worthless. Now, how do you avoid an unsigned document? Now, if you have an unsigned document, you cannot rely on it in court. Court will not admit it in evidence. You cannot rely on it at all. You cannot say we entered into contract. No, because the document is purely unsigned. So you must make efforts to make sure that your documents are signed. How do you achieve this? It is simple. Make sure that any contract, any agreement you are entering, always get the services of a lawyer to vet those documents if they are in order. Make sure you always, it's not for free. You will pay a lawyer his professional fee, his or her professional fee, so that he or she, the lawyer, will be able to vet the document. The lawyer will, funny enough, there are some documents you think that they are signed, they are not signed. Let me give you an example. For example, do you know that the way a company is signed is different from the way a normal human being will sign? So if a company signed wrongly, is as deemed as the company did not sign. You see the trick. So in order for you to fall on the trap, make sure you always get a lawyer to vet these documents for you. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a rush. Most entrepreneurs, this is what close their business. They are so selfish, to pay a lawyer. Funny enough, if disputes arise, you will end up paying a lawyer times 10 to defend you in court. By then, you will not win the case. Not may. Once you are relying on a signed document, your case is dead ab initio, is dead on arrival. It's good for nothing but it does win. So do the needful.